My boy on TikTok said he got a beat for that hook. Okay, I need to hear that, man. Okay, there you go. That was the first kit right there. Okay. There you go. They turned the music off for him, y'all. There you go. My boy said it looks much better on YouTube. Y'all go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe button. Hey, TikTokers, I need some more subscribers on my YouTube channel. Y'all mind?
Gonna help him hit that 20K.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers. My YouTube Lookout Racing. It's Lookout Racing. Yeah, I'm trying to win. I'm trying to win. I got it up to 17,000 now. It felt good. Yeah, it feels good.
You hit that 20 soon though.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit that 20. Okay, my boy said he just subbed. I showed. Damn, y'all. Made a full pass. Y'all see how much juice on there? Y'all see how he got that big old truck getting down that track, man? Golly. Ooh. What he got? Oh, he do fast that. I told y'all he had that 500. They thought I was lying. Dude, who was that? Daryl said that thing bad. That thing bad. Bloodshot Beauty said that Chevy bad as fuck. Yeah. I need to make some moderators on
Hey, 20, man.
Uh-oh, they bad. Look, y'all, look. This side. Oh, Ford Tech Life in here. I see you. Ah, I lost you. Ah. Oh, I got you. Yeah, moderator. I'm trying to get some moderators. My TikTok moderators on in here. Oh, let me get over here. Ah, man, I need to let y'all pick a lane. Which lane y'all gonna pick on this one? This might be some. Okay, boom. Club Yello Belly tonight. I don't think they over there. Okay, right now all my TikTokers. Let me see. They picking the left lane. My people on TikTok saying left lane. I got 79 votes. Oh, and 30 on the other. Ooh wee. They believing in left lane. Okay. Y'all done picked the wrong lane. My boy say YouTube is better. Look out, look out. My people coming over from TikTok. I sure appreciate y'all, man.
Look out.
Look out, look out. I got my look out. What is it now? Hey y'all. My boy, he want y'all, he wanna let y'all know. Hey! I can't even let him. Yeah, I can't let him throw signs. They might. Boy, TikTok strict. He's
He's committed to Rico law. He must be with Young Thug. He's part of Young Thug.
We out here at yeah, I see now. I done found the when we going for easy, Bobby. Yeah, everybody got charges these days, y'all. Man, they had did a Grand Slam wholesale on them. Everybody got one, man. I'm talking about, man, you got charges in your right lane, charges in your left lane. I'm gonna let y'all pick. My people on TikTok, see if they can pick the right one this time, y'all. Y'all want the left lane green one or the right lane white? Right lane for the win. My people on TikTok been picking wrong. They said the left lane was gonna win, man. Y'all picking wrong tonight. Y'all picking wrong. Hey, look out, y'all, the people watching on TikTok. I'm trying to get these this YouTube channel bumping and jumping. I got 17,000 subscribers, and I'm trying to get it to 20. I see y'all on here looking. Hey, how you doing, miss? I'm doing all right. Somebody on here talking about they know you, miss. Yeah, they know you. His name No Tolerance on here. He on TikTok. Somebody on. I'll be back. We got Ginger. Y'all know somebody named Ginger. That's my homeboy right here. Be driving this stick Mustang. Oh, y'all think he gonna miss a gear? He got a stick, y'all. Y'all know the people with them sticks be missing them gears. Who you got? I'm gonna take him.
Bet 4 tacos.
Bet 4 tacos.
Yeah.
What's that? $10?
Bet 100 then.
Bet 10. Bet 20. I'll take this side. All right, that's a bet. He got me.